The first solution to resolve the graphics blocked from accessing graphics hardware error involves running a system file checker scan. To begin, search for Command Prompt in your Windows search bar. Once it appears, right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. In the elevated Command Prompt window, type the command sfc/scannow and then press Enter. This command will initiate a scan of your system files and attempt to repair any corrupted ones. If the system file checker scan does not resolve the issue, the next step is to update your graphics card drivers. Search for Device Manager in your Windows search bar and open it. Within Device Manager, locate and expand the list for display adapters. You will see your graphics card listed here. Right-click on the first graphics card entry and select Update Driver. Follow the on-screen prompts to search for and install the latest driver. Repeat this process for any other graphics card entries you may have listed under display adapters. Finally, ensuring your Windows is up to date can also help resolve hardware access issues. To do this, right-click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu that appears. In the Settings window, navigate to the Windows Update tab. On the right pane, click on the Check for Updates button. Windows will then scan for and download any available updates, which can then be installed to bring your system to the latest version. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.